very happy to share that at least 100 to 150 members who have been part of Pharmexil promotion activities have grown from minimum 5 crore today anywhere over and above 100 crores. When the members who got benefited, they say that because of Pharmexil, because of Government of India, we have grown. It gives us a lot of happiness that yes, we could do, and what government wanted, Pharmexil could do with the support of our committee. And also we have organized international buyer seller meets, and press from Hyderabad, media from Hyderabad is fully aware that each time we were inviting about 50 to 100 international buyers, drug regulators, and also technical people, and we arrange one-to-one business meetings. That has created, for those who cannot really go to overseas countries with us, and we have brought them here, we have asked them to sit with us, whether it is a bulk drug or formulation, or it's an Ayurvedic traditional medicine, or it is a biopharma or vaccines, we have brought them. And so many leads have taken place. And the latest is, as my chairman shared, that is IFEX. And something extraordinary success. It has become an international fame and name. In that last year 2013 IFEX and IFEX 2014 we have completed. We are going for IFEX 2015, and people do not believe and they look toward as with question mark that over 500 member delegates from about 100 to 120 countries, sponsored by Pharmexil with the support of Government of India, their air tickets and their accommodation, their hospitality, about 500 members from more than 100 countries, they participated 2 times and 3rd time. And it has made such a fame and name that we do not find any small level, mid-level and big pharma, even internationally today. I don't think there is not possible, it's not possible, anybody who is not buying Pharmexil. Whether we take it, whether we touch any embassy, we touch any drug regulator, and whether we touch any buyer or exporter. A 10 years period gave us, and we feel extremely satisfied that we can establish our name and make our presence. As our chairman was telling, even yesterday WHO, he was there in the meeting, and WHO is aware. Whether you take it to United Nations, UN agencies, Pharmexil is aware. And anytime embassy refers that there is a shortage, some country wants some medicine, there is a problem, they say go to Pharmexil. And Pharmexil has been giving. And also we try to clarify to the doubts of our embassies and the buyers that do not fear that there are 10,000 companies in India or 4,000 units in India, or how to know who is right, who is fake and who is wrong. Pharmexil will give within 24 hours. If you want, whether this company is existing or not, even is such a big thing, we took it as a challenge, and we have been giving clarifications to bring up the confidence limits. Best International Trade Fair event, CPHA, we have been doing Brand India campaign along with Pharmexil Pavilion and others. We established contacts with the DCGI, we established contacts with embassies, we established contacts with international buyers, and we established contacts with DGFT, and established contacts with every state drug controller for that matter. For this next 2 days event, at least 6 to 7 state drug controllers, and representing something like 80% of production from India, drug controllers are invited here. We wanted to show. This is apart from DCGI's presence. DCGI is coming. We try to build up that interlink that Pharmexil exports are important to Government of India, important for India's name. We have been participating in CPHA, and we have been having COA, industry or committee meetings regularly, and we started a knowledge exchange program with Government of India, and conducted several technical clarifications to the industry, to the globe, and the small scale people and mid-level companies have been informed. We are covering bulk drugs, we have taken up IFEX, and we have made that campaign in Japan, and We have clarified issues which have arisen in Nigeria, Ghana, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, wherever there are issues, Farmix is in the front and tried maximum to solve the issues whichever are raised. Now, several governments have given incentives, Europe and US, and our industry, pharma industry, has not taken note of these incentives. Manufacture those orphan drugs, take care of your country requirements, and also take the global opportunities. It will boost our exports. And we identified this, and that is going as a track 2. Then, we were, as usual, Farmix has started patents and also export awards. And that has given tremendous boost, particularly for patent people. And we are trying to support big pharma with high turnover, mid-level pharma, and small pharma. And also we are trying to encourage Ayush people, herbal people, formulation people, bulk drug people, and overall, and also region-wise performance. Our purpose all the time is that see and encourage every segment where there is a possibility to support them.